arrived at Starbucks. I'm about to place my order. I'm gonna be going makeup shopping, skincare shopping, and I'll be taking you guys along with me, so just stay tuned to that. All right, can I get 2 caramel frappuccino? And can we get that in a small, please?
2 small caramel frappuccinos?
Yes. And I also, can I get 1 iced lemon loft cake?
Okay.
And that's it.
Sure thing. Can I have a name for the order, please?
Brenda.
All right, I'll go ahead and see you at the window.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. So I want to let you guys know, well, I should do like a skincare routine for you guys to show you guys what I use on a daily, because I'm really big on skincare. It's so important. Like you can see, I'm breaking out because I ran out of things, and that's why I'm here to shop for more skin stuff, you know. And I will definitely show you guys what I got after I get done shopping. So this is the shade I use, Chai, from Born This Way. This is a great foundation. I definitely do recommend getting this shade, or like this brand I meant. So yeah, so this is what I got so far. So I just got back home from shopping. I'm so exhausted. I decided to switch up my hair last minute because I was kind of tired of that half up, half down look. So this is how it looks right now. I just put it down, hot combed it, curled it, cut it up a little bit. So yeah, this is how the hair is looking like. I went to Ulta today. I also stopped by some other stores as well too. But I'm going to show you guys what I got from Ulta because I had to get some new skincare stuff because your girl was breaking out so bad. So I'm just like, oh no, like what's going on? It's probably because I'm about to be on my monthly, which is, I hate that. But, you know, we're females. It's natural, mother nature. But I'm going to show you guys what I got. I also got some new stuff that I wanted to try out from Ordinary. I got their face cleanser. No, I got a moisturizer from them, not a face cleanser. I got a moisturizer from them, and I also stopped by Walmart and got this Cetaphil face wash. I don't know, I've been using that for a long time. Like, I grew up using it. My mom made us use it and I stopped using it, so I'm just like, let me go back to my roots because I feel like I know why I'm breaking out, because I need that Cetaphil. I need it. But I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So yeah, and I'm about to wash off my makeup and go to bed because I'm so exhausted. Like, I've been editing all day as well too, and your girl needs some sleep. That's what she needs. So yeah. So these are the stuff I bought from Ulta. I got Born This Way in the shade Chai, my foundation that I needed, and I also got these skin stuff from Good Molecules. I got their rose hemp seed oil. I like this. I always use this, so I just continue using it. I got their night oil, their ultra hydrating facial oil as well too, their daily brightening serum, and I also got the Ordinary collection. Their caffeine is good for the under eye, their moisturizer, and this is also some great brightening lotion, I meant, not oil, and this is their vitamin C oil as well too. I bought from Ulta. I'm definitely gonna do a skincare routine for you guys to show you guys what I use. There's more products I use too for my face, but that's gonna be for another video. And if you guys would like to see a skincare routine, please comment down below because I would love to see what you guys think. Hey guys, good morning. So I decided to continue my vlog from my last video, but right now I am currently at my mom's house. I am not home. Look at these iPads are like sliding down my eyes. But I'm at my mom's house. I'm about to meet up with one of my good friends. We're about to go Topgolfing and I'm gonna get ready. I'm just putting these iPads because your girl got bags under her eyes. I've been so tired for the past couple of days. I'm just like, I need to refresh my under eyes. So I'm using these iPad gel. I'll let you guys know where I got this from. I'll link it down below. So yeah, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup. And I did my hair last minute too. I just gotta fix my edges. Y'all see this? I gotta fix my edges. I did my hair last minute and y'all not gonna believe this is a wig, y'all. A wig. I did this last minute. I literally did this at 11 o'clock at night. I'm so exhausted. Right now it's currently 10:26 and my friend is gonna be here at around 12:30ish and I need to get ready. I don't have a lot of time to, you know, get ready. But you know me, guys, I take forever just to get ready to do anything, like my makeup, hair, whatever. But the good part is that my hair is done. I don't have to stress about like doing my hair. I just gotta style it. And now I have about like 8 seconds now until I take this iPad out. So yeah, and I will see you guys once I am done getting ready. That's the iPad timer. I'm gonna take these off and I'll see you guys when I'm done. I touch that 5 for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told her like you, that bitch, I do it all and I'm around. You're scared to do. I'm not.
long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. Mobbing, scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top top right with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Are they grow when you're not here? I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me?
Guys, so this is how my makeup is looking. The face came out really good. And I'm almost done getting ready. I just gotta put my stuff together, put my shoes on. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna wear as well too. Okay guys, so this is how the outfit is looking like. I paired it with my Nikes. I don't even know what this generation is called. Like this shoes is called, guys. I'm not a sneakerhead, so like I don't really know, but it's cute though. It fits my outfit. I just buy sneakers just to buy sneakers, honestly. I'm gonna pair it with my orange bag, nice basic black tee, and I got this pants from Poshmark. I'll link it down below for you guys can use my code. Sorry for that. For you guys can use my code to get some money off. I will definitely link that below for you guys. So yeah, I'm just waiting for my friend to come pick me up because we're gonna go Topgolfing, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. And I'm kind of debating if I should pair this up with some sunglasses. So yeah, and also I'm just like I don't know if I like my hair like this or I should just like put it down. I don't know, but I look cute though, right? Should I wear the sunglasses? Yes or no? I don't know. I don't think it's like fitting the vibe of the outfit. But I'm just gonna bring it just in case if I want to wear it, because we're gonna be outside, because you know I might want to block the shade. Guys, you guys won't believe this is a wig on my head. Like, look how nice it looks. Should I wear the glasses? Yes or no? Yes or no? I'm gonna ask my mom real quick. Let's see. So should I wear the glasses? Yes or no?
Yes, baby.
Okay, guys. So my mom said yes. I should wear the glasses. Good. Thanks, love. Okay, guys. So we made it to Topgolf. I'm excited because I suck at golfing. I really do. Like, I suck. Hopefully I can make some points. Sasha look cute. Say hi to the vlog. Are you playing the leaving on the man one time? I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You're just too important. Nobody do
do body like you do, you do.
That wasn't bad. Brenda, that was good. What do you mean you don't know how to play? I think your ball went in. Okay, so we left Topgolf and now we're going to this bar that's called the Social House. We're gonna get some drinks.
Oh, you do. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once.
We're just chilling at the Social House. It's super cute here and we're enjoying our time. We're trying to find somewhere that's pretty lit because the music here is not hitting at all. Guys, it's so hot in Florida right now. It's crazy. It's like literally 92 degrees. Thank you.
If you guys need anything, let me know, okay?
Thank you. We forgot to ask for water. Did you take the whole thing? Yeah. I need to keep up.
Fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want? My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, decide for what I want. Need some me time. Hope you know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over more, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is digital Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, decide for what I want. Get some me time. I don't know.
Like right now, guys, I'm under the weather. You know, I woke up with a sore throat and I have a runny nose. It's probably because of this weather changing. We just had a hurricane. So, guys, I'm exhausted. Alright, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and end the video right here. And if you guys enjoy watching my very first vlog, don't forget to leave a big thumbs up. And also, don't forget to turn on that post notification bell button to be notified whenever I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.